Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this sporty 3008 SUV in the GT line specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, there's tinted rear windows and the black roof. You also get front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got a half leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some nice safety features with this car, including lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection and speed limit recognition. Some of the other features include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 16,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.